Hi, I'm Nathan Brown with Healing Touch Massage Chairs. Are you searching for the perfect massage chair? Introducing the Panasonic MAN1, a revolutionary blend of advanced engineering and precision with function. The MAN1 is designed to deliver a truly therapeutic massage experience. This chair isn't just about comfort. It's about targeted relief and full body rejuvenation. The MAN1 features a newly designed SL track with an opening angle where the backrest and seat meet. This allows the chair to follow the natural curvature of your spine, delivering a seamless, continuous massage from your neck all the way down to your glutes. At the heart of the MAN1 is the RealPro 4D Human Intelligence Mechanism, the most precise massage technology available. It mimics the movements and pressure of the human hands, adjusting in real time to deliver the perfect depth and intensity for your body's needs. The MAN1 uses a 6-position force microprocessor and a 1260-point body scan to map out your body's pressure points and muscle structure. This ensures that every massage is customized to your unique shape and tension points, providing maximum relief where you need it most, without that brutal treatment of lesser massage chairs. The shaped palm massage technology provides gratifying attention to the hand, while the specifically designed thigh massage air cells provide a more comprehensive compression for the upper leg to relieve tension, an area often neglected by other massage chairs. The calf wrap massage uses focused air compression to ease tightness and promote better blood flow in the lower legs. The foot massage feature applies targeted pressure to the key reflexology points, helping to reduce foot fatigue and improve overall foot and sole health. The MAN1 is designed to provide specific relief for the piriformis syndrome pain, targeting the deep muscles of the hips and glutes to relieve sciatic nerve pain. It also helps ease discomfort from plantar fasciitis by focusing on the plantar fascia of the feet. The Panasonic MAN1 isn't just a massage chair, it's a personal wellness solution. Experience the difference today at Healing Touch and discover how the MAN1 can help you feel, move, and live better. Thanks for your time.